Close your eyes and relax. Keep relaxing as much as possible. The more you relax, the deeper you go, and the deeper you go, the more you relax. Keep relaxing as much as possible. While relaxing, put your complete awareness in your physical body and allow your breath to flow within you. Keep breathing into the physical body. Put your entire awareness into your physical body. And slowly now, keep moving. Feel as if you're walking. Either you're walking in a hallway, you're walking in a garden, or maybe you're walking along the beach side. Keep walking. While walking, feel your body, feel your footsteps. While walking and focusing on your footsteps, say to yourself the word dependency. I am dependent. And when you say I'm dependent, you have picked up this emotion from someone, somewhere, maybe through some experiences. Be aware of it. While walking, whether you're in a beach, whether you're in a garden, or maybe some hallway, just look towards your left, you will see a door. Move towards that door. Just stay. Stand outside the door. Again, repeat the word in your mind, dependency. See how your body reacts to this word dependency. You must be feeling angry. You might be feeling frustrated. You might be feeling hatred towards it, or you're feeling very sad. Poor me. That victim feeling that I'm dependent. Either dependent on my health or on the people. It doesn't matter. Say the word dependency and allow your body to show up what you're storing with this dependency. There could be one emotion, there could be multiple emotions. Just feel that as much as possible. Now, slowly put your hand on the door, and when I'm asking you to open the door, as you open the door, you will see the people, the situations coming out of the door that has made you learn dependency. Open the door and turn around now. 1, 2, 3, now. First thought, first impression, first feeling. There could be one person, there could be multiple people, there could be multiple situations with one person. Allow all of them to come and stand in front of you who made you feel dependent. Or maybe they made you feel helpless. Or maybe they made you feel frustrated. that created sadness in your body. Look at them. Look into their eyes. Feel that emotions of anger, frustration. Feel the emotion of helpless. Feel the emotion of sadness or whatever is coming up. Breathe into your body and at this moment return it back to them. Whether it is there in your chest, whether it is there in your neck, you must be feeling in your hands, you must be feeling in your stomach, maybe in your gut area where they have snatched the self-control of yours. Give it back. In whatever form they have given you, it doesn't matter. Give it back in whatever form you would like to return. You want to shout, you want to scream, you want to kick them, or you just want to express how you felt about it. Do it now. Take your time. Do it now. Breathe into your body. Feel that feeling of dependency. Dependency that made you feel frustrated, angry, sad, helpless. It could be anyone. It could be your parents. It could be your friends, your relatives, your teachers, your neighbors, anyone, your spouse, children. It could be anyone. It doesn't matter. Just return it back. Take your time. Breathe into your body and return it back. I'll be quiet for some time until you are done. Return it back. Take this opportunity to release out whatever you have stored. Come on. Support yourself to release it out completely. Breathe into your body, feel where you have stored it, and give it back to them. It all belongs to them. Let go from the belief system that you're dependent. Support your body, support your emotions, and let it go completely. It's over. It ends now. The need of helpless, it's over. It ends now. The need of feeling victim is over. It ends now. The need of feeling sad and frustrated, it's over. It ends now. I free myself. I return it back to you. I return it back to the situation. I return it back to the people, known, unknown, from wherever have picked up this emotion of dependency. It's over. It ends now. Let it go. Over. It ends now. Now, in return, take back your freedom, take back your independency, take back your ability to be happy and joyful within your own self. You deserve it completely. It belongs to you completely. Accept it and allow it to integrate inside you with full love, happiness, and awareness of being. Awareness of being of your own self. So awareness of being you, being yourself, being into your identity, being into your biological body. Just take back. You deserve it. Accept it. Take back your self-control. Take back your self-worth from them. Choose freedom over dependency. Accept it with full of love. And it's your right to feel this freedom, to feel this happiness. Integrate in your physical body as much as possible with the flow of each and every breath you're taking now. And say to yourself, I'm free, I'm happy. Support your body, support your mind. Feel the strength and courage to be total independent, to be happy, and to enjoy this freedom to be what you can be. Feel this inside you as much as possible. And if there is any residues of dependency or any other emotions that is bothering you, let it go. It's over. It ends now. With each and every breath, allow this independence and freedom. Freedom to receive love. Freedom to receive finances. Freedom to have vibrant health. And freedom to enjoy your life the way you would like to enjoy it. So the freedom of being who you are. And feel this energy going in your heart, in your blood, in your oxygen, in your immune system. Feel it as much as possible. And when you feel that you have taken enough, you have taken what truly belongs to you, let these people go. Go to wherever they belong to. If they are alive, they will go to their physical body. If they are dead and gone, see them going up into the white light. Free them. Let them go. It's over. It ends now. And let go of the room through which you were holding them. See the room getting vanished away. It's over. The need of dependency, the need of all these emotions are over. It ends now. Let the room fade away. Let it go. It's over. And now, start walking again. And this time you are different. This time you are completely free to enjoy your life, to enjoy your vibrant health, to enjoy finances, and to enjoy the freedom of being. Keep walking, and feel your feet, feel yourself as much as possible. Feel the strength and courage in you to take the responsibility of your own life. Keep walking. Spread your arms. Feel yourself. Receive the best that you could receive. Allow your mind to imagine how you are going to utilize this freedom. How productive you are going to be. While doing that, feel your awareness into the physical body. Set your goal and allow yourself to walk towards it with total freedom, total independency, deserving the best in your life. Keep feeling it as much as possible and bring your awareness into your physical body. Feel your feet, feel your shoulders, feel top of your head, integrate, and bring back your awareness into the room. When you feel right, only then open your eyes. Take your time, keep relaxing as much as possible.